Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook spicy and sour Chinese cabbage. This is a popular home-cooked dish in Szechuan. It has a strong taste of spicy and sour. So if you happen to like Szechuan food, you might want to give it a try. So now let's start cooking. We first need to tear the cabbage apart like this. Now make some garlic and cut some dried chilies. Now prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Add the garlic and chilies into the pan. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of garlic. Then add the cabbage into the pan. Stir fry until the cabbage gets soft. Now we can make the sauce. We need 1 spoon of soy sauce, 4 spoons of vinegar, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, a little bit of salt, some sugar, some starch, and some water. Mix well and pour the sauce into the pan. Now stir fry until the sauce starts to thicken. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.